Let's start a new project in Capcut. It's actually pretty self-explanatory, but I want to show you the main things that you can do. When you're going to create a new video, let's just say add add this one, and add this one. You can add next, or if you're going to do a combination of videos or photos, you can do that too. And as you can see, all of my videos are here. Now, if you see, this size is not the TikTok size. Okay, so I'm going to come down here where it says ratio and make sure that I can pick my size. So I'm going to do it to TikTok size, press the check. And when I tap on the video, I'm going to be able to zoom it in. Perfect. That's the right size. Okay, good. So everything's the right size. Here are a few of the main things that you can do. When you click on the video, you can make it shorter by dragging. You can also split the clip. So for example, if right here, I'm going to press split and I can split it. Let me show you how I could do that in a long one. I have this, but then it's split. So you see that little jump cut right there? So as we continue to grow our business, I will be talking more and more about the different features. But let's say that you're done here. You can export it here on the corner. And depending on if you have the Pro, you can download it without the Capcut app. But if you don't, you're going to have to share it to TikTok. And in TikTok, you can download it without the Capcut watermark. So that's what I like to do. And then I just press draft next, draft to see if I need it. But other than that, that's pretty simple. I don't necessarily need to export it at 4K unless I'm doing it for YouTube. 1080 is sufficient in order for you to have a high quality. You don't need 4K, just as a FYI, okay? If it's too high of a quality, TikTok or Instagram will actually compress your video and it may look blurry, just as an FYI. So that's a starter for your CapCut, and I'll see you in the next video.